Hi Tarot Lovelies, it's Ethany and it's First Impressions Friday on my channel, which means I have a new deck to share with you and for us to discover together. And today from the beautiful and very talented Holly DeFont, we have got the Curious Oracle. Now this is the 5th edition. I have this, such a pretty little sticker. I have a little card that she sent to me. I know you're here for the deck, but bear with me. I like it when people handwrite me a card. I like to take a moment to, read and say thank you. So this is the 5th edition of A Curious Oracle. Now, I think I met Holly for the first time in person at Northwest Tarot Symposium and we were having a good old chat. Thank you for all the work you do. Oh, the tarot community. And I hope to see you again at Newts 2020. Girl, you will see me at Newts at 2020. You absolutely will. I'm going to be there with bells on, and hopefully this year not sick with walking pneumonia, because that sucked. So that is the Wild Empress Wall of Information. And I also have the Incidental Tarot, which is this little business card. I can tell they're Moo mini cards because I used to have them. I have the Incidental Tarot. I got the first edition pretty much the nanosecond it came out, because I was like obsessed with her artwork, and I don't think I ever did an unboxing because it was like back in Australia. It was before I had a YouTube channel. It was like before all of that. So I'm really glad I get to share Holly's work with everyone because her work is so beautiful. So this is the little box that it's coming with a gorgeous little sticker. We are going to swap over those cameras and discover this deck together. Let's jump into A Curious Oracle, the 5th edition, and congratulations to you, Holly, for so many of those prints happening, and let's do this thing. Alrighty, so now we're going to discover the Curious Oracle together. So acuriousoracle.com. And again, if you need to see the beautiful business card there. And I'm going to try very hard not to rip this because this has got, I believe, the keywords on it. Well, slipping it off might have been easier. There we go. Oh no, it's got a little... Oh, cute. So, although the keys to the card is included with the edition, an in-depth ebook companion is available for purchase at the Wild. So we've got a little... so we've got A Curious Oracle does not follow either tarot or Lenormand systems of cartomancy, but is designed in 7 original sets of 7 cards each. Each card in the Oracle is potent in its own right, but this system works especially well in combining with tarot, charm, and rune casting. So it's a 49 card deck. So we have a little, this paper is so pretty. I'm such a paper person. I love really pretty paper. We have the beautiful box. The size is really adorable. I love this size already. I'll have to read if it's meant to be read in reversals. Like some systems are not designed to be read in reversals, like Lenormand. So here we go. There's the key. So manifest, relationship, growth, structure, lessons, healing, and epiphany. Okay, cool. We're not going to go and look at that too deeply because we want to discover the cards first. Okay, A Curious Oracle, 12 out of 120, limited 5th edition. Okay. The backs. So this is beautiful. This has got that velvety finish of like the Moonchild Tarot. So it's I'd say this is a 350 GSM. It's a really beautiful cardstock. It feels like velvet. And that's the back with double keys and an 11 set. The moon and a love heart. It's a gorgeous back. Okay. Lotus Fire. So we have number 1, and we also have the suit, so that's the first one of energy. Honeybee, of course, one of my favorites. Nourishment. Let's see if I can do this. I'm going to try. So then we have Lily, the first one in youth. Tree, lineage. Oh, so now we're going 2, 3, 4. Okay. But it still says 1, 1, 1. So I think we're still on the first broken wing, the wound. Just trying to work out the so Mercury rising in medicine, working out the structure. Phoenix rebirth. And then the anchor, stability. Okay, cool. So I've just gotten to the second one of number 2 of the second suit, and they have different keywords. So this looks like that's just the keyword for that. Interesting. It'd be fun to play with the numerology of this too, like 2 of 2, or the 3 of 2 here, the third card in the second journey, the GULL. So it's a really interesting sword, triumph. The arch, passages. Yeah, really interesting ways to play with this for sure. Like I can see different benefits and different ways of working with this. Escape, wings. Ouroboros, eternity. Intuition, crescent moon. The owl, messenger. Twilight, veil, so it's the same as the back. Compass rose, direction. It's so beautiful. The artwork is so stunning. I have long been a fan though, as I mentioned in the beginning. CRYPT, slumber. Aethia, dreamscape. Moonrise, illumination. So gorgeous. I love the texture in this. I've seen this sort of texturized effect put on a number of decks. I think it really works very beautifully for this one. The rose, beauty. Crowned heart, love. The fountain, creativity. Orange grove, fidelity. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Blackbird, grief. Wolf heart, courage. It's gorgeous. Evening star, inspiration. Did I see another, or am I going completely? Oh no, there is the fountain too. So we have a couple of fountains there. It's like, am I going Coco? The raven, intellect. Torch, intention. Thistle, pride. the Shield, Conviction. The Mask, Deception. Prayer Wheel, Meditation. Spider, Wisdom. The Cock, Luck. Gargoyle, Guardian. These are so cool. Did I? No. They're nice and thick. That's why I'm like, oh, is there two under there? The Jewel, Riches. So beautiful. It's very, very vivid too. It is snowing an absolute storm here at the moment, so the light is not terribly great here. The Sun, Recognition, but it's very beautiful and rich, the colours in the deck. Hopefully it's being shown in the here. Snowflakes, Ephemera. Snowflakes here, snowflakes outside. The Dragon, Prosperity. The Ruby Cup, Magic. Child Spirit, Potential. Echo, Reflection. Apple Blossom, Renewal. Oh, this is gorgeous. Nazar, Protection. Memento Mori, Goodbye. Alchemy, Transformation. And the White Queen, Hierophany. It's really very beautiful. Okay, so let's give this a shuffle now that I spread them all out of on my desk. They're really quite lovely. Now they are a little mini oracle, which would be great for people who have small hands. Also great for laying out more than one, like a larger layout. They're a little bit smaller than playing cards. Also great for laying on top of regular readings as well. Okay, so I'm going to cut the deck. Oh, of course I got the honeybee. Funny that, isn't it, everybody, that I get the honeybee. Nourishment. And so I'm just going to open up the papers. And this is... Oh, cool. I didn't see this before too. Set 1 is the body. Set 2 is motion. You probably all saw this and was like, you ding dong. Set 3 is intuition. Set 4 is the heart. Set 5 is the mind. 6 is the blessing, and 7 is the spirit. Makes sense. So step 2 is the relationship. So here we have the relationship with the body, nourishment. The state of being nurtured, fed and cared for, sustenance giving in the form of food, love, wisdom, touch and comfort. The sweetness of accepting help and kindness from others. So what looks like is that you would say you got the owl, it would be the relationship with intuition. Or say you got shield, conviction, it would be the structure of the mind. So this is really freaking cool, Holly. I really, really love this. Hopefully there is still some available, as Holly gave this to me a hot second ago. I apologize profusely for it taking so long to get to this. I had quite the backup, I still do, of decks, but this is just stunning. I love your work. I'm a massive fan. I'm glad I was able to share the Curious Oracle here. I will of course put a link in the description below of where you can go and find Holly's work and find this deck. And as always, thank you for watching. And you know, there's a ton more unboxing videos on my channel for you to enjoy as well.